Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Slurps Fresh Noodle Fridays. I am so excited to bring you this Italian classic with a Japanese twist. I'm excited to bring you MISO, CACIO, PEPE, but with udon noodles. Wait, what? This sounds so crazy. It totally is. It's also totally delicious as well. Only takes a few ingredients here. You got miso, butter, you got your udon noodles, of course. You got Parmesan cheese, should be pecorino. I don't have any on me right now. Don't kill me. White pepper, a bit of gochugaru for a bit of spice, and trusty old classic black pepper. This recipe only takes about 15 minutes to whip up. It's super quick and easy, which is what I like. And it's so tasty, and dare I say that I actually like it better than a regular cacio e pepe. Yeah, no Italian's gonna like me after this. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started.
All right, we've got our ingredients here. We've got shiro miso, which is a little bit sweeter and milder. We also have some gochugaru, which is the Korean red chili flakes, white pepper, also some unsalted butter over here, of course. Also, we have our freshly cracked black pepper, Parmesan cheese, big block, and frozen sanuki udon. Definitely get this kind, not the shelf stable crap. So we're gonna start grating the Parmesan cheese here, about 1 cup. There's a bit extra there, so don't mind that. We're gonna boil some water, pour it over top your frozen sanuki udon, just enough so we can go ahead and start loosening up the noodles. Let that sit for a minute, and then we're gonna go ahead and drain that out. We're gonna go ahead and add some of our butter into the pan, about 1 to 2 tablespoons. Our white pepper, gochugaru, and freshly cracked black pepper goes right into the pan. Add a lot of it. It is cacio pepe after all. We're gonna go ahead and add our miso paste in, and it should go ahead and smooth out pretty nicely, emulsifying with the butter, like so. This is what it looks like here. It's on medium heat, and we're gonna go ahead and add the udon in, toss it all in nicely, lower the heat to low, add your Parmesan cheese, and toss together. You wanna keep trying to fold it and really get the noodles mixed in with that cheese. And lastly, add a bit of boiling water there as well to loosen up the sauce, make it extra creamy. Like, look how luscious this looks. Yum. Yum. Now to garnish, add a little bit of chopped scallions on top, and I like to add a little furikake there just for a little bit of texture. Be sure to slurp it up right away. Enjoy!
If you like this video, don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell just at the top right-hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see everyone next week. Bye!